What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best ring lights in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick off today's rundown with Lume Cube Ring Light, also known as the best portable ring light available on the market in 2022, featuring an adjustable head that can rotate 360 degrees and tilt 180 degrees. This model helps you find your perfect angle quickly and with ease. Also, if you want to cover all facial imperfections and reduce shadows, don't worry, because Lume Cube Ring Light comes with a brightness of 3200 to 5600K, so you can choose the desired brightness and color temperature. You can use this ring light both for selfies and as a makeup aid. Also, you can very easily remove the mobile ring from the stand and adjust it exactly as it suits you at any given moment. Whether you're modeling TikTok videos, YouTube content, Twitch live streams, or anything else, this model will work perfectly. The Lume Cube ring light is fairly light and portable, weighing just 7.83 pounds, and includes a carrying case as well as a 6.5-inch stand. So if you're on the go, be it video conferencing, travel, group projects, Zoom meetings, or anything else, this is the perfect option for you. The device is specially created for videographers and photographers. Also, it should be noted that the package includes a mounting box as well as mounts for digital cameras, mobile devices, iPhones, and even action cameras, although only up to 10 pounds. In terms of power, Lume Cube comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries that'll allow you to charge at full power for 70 minutes. If you use it on the move with maximum brightness, you'll get a battery life of about 1.5 hours, which is quite alright for most vloggers and makeup artists. Also, users like the versatility of this product because the LED light without flicker provides equal efficiency for stylists, portraits, facial shots, etc. This LED ring light comes in the size of 21 by 17 by 24 inches. If you're looking for a portable product, and you can conclude based on dimensions and features, this is the best option currently on the market. Look no further. Thumbs up, that's for sure. If you want to save a bit of money and still get a product of quite decent quality, we say check out the XP10 ring light, also known as the best budget ring light in 2022. This model offers several features that can be useful not only for taking quality photos, but also for enhancing your appearance during video conferencing. This ring has 120 LED light points arranged on the surface, which can also vary from warm to cool tones to suit the needs of the scene. Cool white, and warm yellow are available to users, and all of this is on the budget. Each of these 3 available shades has 10 different light intensities. The set is powered via USB, so it can also be connected to a portable external battery. The device includes support for most mobile phones on the market and a tripod to stabilize it. The ring can be rotated on the axis on which it's mounted in order to achieve more controlled shadows or effects in certain parts of the image. Now that many business meetings have switched over to Zoom, this light can affect all calls, improving image clarity, removing excessive graininess seen when the room is dimly lit, or correcting sharp backlighting of sitting near a window. This model comes with a portable phone holder and a tripod stand, so you can use it for any occasion that needs more lighting, from live streaming to makeup and reading books. The clamp that holds your phone, whether in a holster or not, can extend up to 4 inches. Apart from the ring light itself, the package includes a phone clasp, tripod stand, metal ball, as well as a hot shoe mount. You can use the LED ring light whenever you want thanks to the USB powered function. USB ports are compatible with multiple devices, be it a laptop, computer, mobile power supply, or other. The XP10 ring light comes in the size of 11.5 by 11.14 by 1.65 inches, while its weight is 1.34 pounds. All in all, for the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the UBeesize 10, also known as the best value ring light available on the market in 2022. UBeesize designs accessories for camera equipment for young amateur and professional photographers. They offer a wide selection of tripods and lighting options, all of which are well respected in photographic circles. The product that really stands out is their 10-inch selfie ring set. It's been adopted as a tool of choice by YouTube, live streamers, makeup artists, and selfie perfectionists. The ring light has 3 color options: warm, cool white, and daylight, plus 11 levels of brightness for each color. In total, the device offers 33 lighting options each time you shoot. The ring light is located on a self-contained panoramic tripod that moves from 16 to 50 inches, providing a good angle every time you pass through the camera. The UBeesize 10 ring light comes with a Bluetooth remote control for mostly hands-free operation and an iPhone 12 holder with an adjustable arm. It is exceptionally easy to switch from portrait to landscape mode and vice versa. The whole set is super easy to assemble and disassemble, plus it's light enough to take anywhere. If we have to find an error, it's the remote control. It works great for capturing images, but you can't adjust the light settings. The tripod is pretty easy to adjust, and it'll be quite stable whether you want to adjust it to your height or put it on a table. For most, this is a lightweight kit that includes everything you need to get professional-looking photos. Apart from the ring light, the package also includes a wireless remote control and, of course, a tripod stand. For all these parts, there's a possibility of replacement for a period of 3 years, which is an additional plus for all consumers. Most users are completely satisfied with this product, pointing out that there are no significant objective shortcomings. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present you the newer ring light kit, which deservedly won the silver medal for today and the title of the runner-up best ring light available on the market in 2022. If you're looking for a complete set of ring lights for your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max, seriously consider Newer's offer. What sets the Newer ring light apart from the competition is the 18-inch 5500K 240p set of outdoor LED bulbs that have a wide dimming range of 1 to 100%. In times when you want better control over the lighting, the flexibility to have a wide range of dimming will come in handy. The Newer light ring prevents ultraviolet and infrared light radiation, and with low thermal power, this model is designed to be safe for use at home. Additionally, it comes with a 61-inch lighting stand made of high-quality aluminum alloy to enhance your content creation game. With soft tubes, the light ring can also rotate freely. White and orange filters play a key role in providing a stable color temperature. Also, since the phone holder is compatible with most smartphones, you can use it not only with the iPhone 12 series, but also your Android smartphone. With a smart remote control at your disposal, you can take shots without worrying about the last-minute shakes. In addition, the kit also comes with an adapter that's compatible with most DSLR cameras, which is another plus from a photography perspective. With the included remote control, you can adjust the light settings and turn the ring light on and off. We like the diffuser filters included. You get 2 orange and 2 white filters that add a warm glow or give photos a sharp, bright, and clean look. The set's a bit more expensive, but it comes with so many accessories that it's difficult to discuss the price. This is a good setting for streaming from the webcam, professional recording, or occasional use. Whether you're a videographer, TikTok star, or photographer, this selfie light takes the quality of photography to the next level. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we reached the long-awaited gold medal at the title of the best overall ring light on the market in 2022, and the winner is the Razer ring light. Lighting is key to content creators, and Razer wants to make it easier with Razer ring light. The Razer ring light is a 12-inch model, the perfect size for all designs. It has 192 LEDs for a spectacular light intensity. The light passes through a white diffuser to ensure that your stream is lit as brightly and evenly as a professional studio, all with an adjustable light spectrum that perfects your skin tone and improves your appearance thanks to 3 tones: warm white tone at 3000K, the 4500K balanced white, or 6500K cool white. At the same time, the brightness can be adjusted between 10 to 100% intensity. The Razer ring light is compatible with multiple devices thanks to the fact that it includes a holder for webcams, compact cameras or DSLRs, but also includes a holder for a mobile phone. The tripod, which comes with the product, has a very wide range of heights. It allows us to place it both on the ground and behind our screens in order to achieve better lighting in our streaming. Because it's so mobile, Razer's been thinking about how the ring light can be powered. This power can be done via a computer or power bank, which allows you to use the device wherever you want. The inside of this box contains a Razer ring light, a tripod stand, a mobile phone holder, and a ball head. As for the design of the tripod, it's equipped with a triple ball joint for adjusting the lateral, horizontal, and vertical inclination. The legs can be adjusted to the desired height using the piston system. When it comes to lighting, it perfectly covers every need because thanks to its size, tones, and brightness settings, it achieves homogeneous lighting that is adaptable to any situation, which improves image quality even with more limited webcams. Overall, this product delivers premium quality at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.